Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Friday. Welcome to Weatfalia Towbars Performance. We had this beautiful 2019 GLC into our shop for an invisible, detachable Weatfalia Towbar. Now, this is the facelift model GLC. Came with, obviously, the Weatfalia Towbar and dedicated wiring kit. Now, this wiring kit will work with your gearbox, automatically shut off your parking sensors, work with your ABS functions, and your trailer stability control. As you can see from the rear, this Weatfalia Towbar has a beautiful clean finish. We got the 13-pin plug. You can swivel up and out of the way. Not in use. Detach the tongue, and it's completely invisible. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to our friendly team. We are happy to help. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the weekend.